Welcome back to the Felix Smart Studio. Today, we're going to be going over how to use scenarios in your Felix Smart application. Now, scenarios are very helpful for situations that commonly occur, whether that be maintenance in your fish tank or turning off a noisy hydroponic system for a movie night. Scenarios have you covered. To create a scenario, I'll head into my dashboard and click the arrow in the Devices and Scenarios section. I can then scroll over to Scenarios and click the green plus icon in the top right corner. Now, the first thing you want to do is name your scenario. For this, I'm going to create a feeding scenario, so I'll name it feeding, and then you can pick how long you want the scenario to run. So feeding usually takes me about 10 minutes. I'm going to set this one for 15 minutes so that I don't feel rushed. And then I can pick what devices I want affected by this scenario. If a device is not affected, then it'll just run with its regular automation schedule. Scenarios actually take priority over all other automation schedules, whether it be cycles, timers, events, etc. So keep that in mind when you're using these. I'm not going to affect my heater. I will make sure my lights are turned on, all the lights on, and then I will turn off my filters and pumps. And that'll be my feeding scenario. So if I want this to run, I can click active, and now for 15 minutes, which I can see in the timer at the top there, all of these devices I've set will turn off and then back on at the end. And that is it for a scenario. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please let us know with some feedback and I'll see you later.